In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a USB microphone into Streamlabs OBS so you can sound professional during your streams or YouTube videos. So let's go. Welcome back, guys. My name's Willie Rodriguez, aka Game Vibe. If this is your first time here, I'm creating a YouTube channel dedicated on helping streamers and content creators on how to set up their equipment or software so they are ready to stream or create content. So subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my latest videos. Okay guys, so to set up your USB mic, you're gonna want to start off to going into Streamlabs OBS. Then once you're in here in the scenes area, you're gonna want to go into settings, audio, and then right here where it says mic/auxiliary device 1, you're gonna click right here where it says microphone. You're usually gonna say either default or whatever microphone you're using. I'm using the microphone Samsung. I'm gonna click on done. Then how you know that your mic is working, right here on the bottom right corner, you're gonna see it. It's gonna say microphone, and then it's gonna say whatever microphone you're using. And then how you know that it's working, it's gonna show this little flickery green. You see how it's jumping? And it goes to yellow, then it goes to red. If it goes to red, it's because it's really loud. And that's how you know it's working. If this video gave you value, like and subscribe, and if it helped you or you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to learn how to make your microphone sound professional, like from a podcast or from a radio station, I'm gonna make a separate video in detail describing on how to make it sound professional. That's all what we have for today, guys. Thank you for stopping by, and until next time.